for another video. Today we're gonna do something a tiny bit different. I've done one of these before, but I did it with multiple blind bags and bollies and mystery packs and all that good stuff. But today we're doing a Disney one, yay! I gathered up all my Disney blind boxes and mystery packs that I had in my stash, and I thought we could just do a medium-ish video of all of that. Now this is new, this Stitch Biggest Blind Bag. I've never had one of these before. If you saw my shorts, for $10 and a crazy Black Friday early sale from Walmart. This I got from Temu. The Doorables I believe I got from Target. This Stitch ball over here I believe I also got from Target. And then this Raya, I'm not sure exactly how you say it, The Last Dragon, I got from Dollar Tree. Without any more talking, we're just going to get on into all these cute little blind things. So yay! I did bring my trusty scissors here for help in case we need it for any of this packaging. Now, most of this stuff is going to be a new experience for me. I've never done this Biggest Blind Bag, never done this Lilo and Stitch or the Disney Doorables. I've done one of the Stitches before and one of the Rayas, but all of these over here are all new experiences. I really kind of want to do this one first because if you're new and you don't know, I'm a bunnyaholic, a pinkaholic, a stitchaholic, a dollaholic, all the good dolly goodness things. But this is perfect for me. It is a bunny winter story Stitch, and I just cannot resist anymore. This has been sitting there and taunting me, wanting me to open it, and now I'm finally getting to. So here's the little strip. There we go. And then here on the side are all the cute ones you can get. I really honestly don't care which one I get. They're all super duper cute. Okay, how is this? Okay, I see. There we go. And there's a little package inside. All right, it does have the tear thing, but I think I'll cut it. I cut it open, but I did not peek at all. What are we gonna get? Brrr, drum roll. Okay, apparently that's some kind of stand or something. What else? Is this figure? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, I love Stitch so much, but this is adorable with the little bunny ears and the snowball. This came flying out and I didn't want to look at it up close because I figured it would tell me who I got, and I was right. This little card thing. How adorable is this? Lilo and Stitch Bunny Winter Story, so cute. I think this is, like I said, some kind of stand for it, but I'm gonna look at the picture real quick and come back to you. I guess he's just supposed to sit on it. This is how he looks in the illustration. So there he is, cute little Stitch. Yay! I did want to say before I get too far in, that's a really nice figure. I can't remember what I paid for it, but when I'm editing the video, I'll put it in because I did get it from Temu and they have like all my history there. I'm definitely going to try and get another one because they're so cute. Now I think we should open this Raya, The Last Dragon, little blind cubey thing here and see what we get. I think you just pull from here and it'll open. Yeah, there we go. Of course, there's a piece of tape stopping me. There we go. Now I got it. And, oh, like I did this once before, but it was a long time ago. Here's this thing. I remember this thing. It's like a flower or some kind of something. I'm not exactly sure. And I think the figure goes in it because there's like a little peg there for it to like sit on or something. So here's our little thing, our little paper bag, and it's already open. So we will see who we got. Oh, what? Is that a bunny? Is that a bunny? What? Oh my God. I love bunnies so much. I think it is some kind of bunny, maybe, quite possibly. There's fish on a plate too. That is adorable, and I love bunnies so much. Yay! Okay, I busted open the packaging, and this was on the inside. I think that's a bunny. I think that's what I got there. And here's all the other little figures you can get. I think I got this girl in the other one I got, but it was so long ago, I don't really remember. There are all the ones you can get. I definitely think it's worth $1.25. Super cute little figures. So there you go. There's what we got in our Raya tube. I want to open this Stitchy figure next. Now, there's supposed to be a zipper thing on here. These never, ever work for me, y'all. They always go wonky. But since I said that, they probably will work in this video. Let's see if I can get it. See? They always come off wonkadoodle. I don't know why they do that. Then they do that, where they just come undone like that. But anyway, there's 13 to collect in this one, and there's vinyl figures. These are pretty easy. You just pop the pineapple. And then here's the guide. I'll show you in a second. And then here's the little plastic package that has our little Stitchy figure in it. And we're going to cut it open and see. All right, I cut it open, but I didn't peek. Let's see who we got. Oh, how cute, how cute, how cute, how cute. It's Stitch eating a soccer ball. Just look at that. Oh, and he's like in his natural form where he has like his extra arms and his little antennas and stuff. How cute. These figures are really nice. I think these are like $3 or $4. I'm not for sure. Like I said, I can look this up. They still have these for sale on Target's website, so I can look it up and show you guys how much I paid for it. This is super duper cute, and I love Stitch so much, and now I'm adding to my Stitch collection. Yay! Here is the guide and all the little Stitchies you can get. I know for a fact that I have this one here because that's the one I just got. I've also gotten this one, Birdwatching Stitch, but I didn't open it on camera. I just opened it to see. There's all the cuties you can get. There is 13 to collect in this collection out of the little pineapples. I'm going to open this, the Doorable. It says 2 figures and 1 display. Here's the side, here's the other side, and then here's the back. These are all the ones you can get. I don't know which one I'm going to get, but I hope it's a cute one. All right, I found the little zipper. Let's see if we can get it. Yay, that one actually worked. I never have them work. They never ever want to work. Okay, I don't really know anything about these. It's got like a paper thing on the outside. All right, I cut the tape with my scissors so I can do this. Does this mean this is who I got? DuckTales? Is that the one I got? Oh, there's more. There's more to undo. Okay, I started it with my scissors hoping that that would help, and it didn't, of course. So I'm gonna go off camera and open it the rest of the way. Okay, I got the outer piece off, and then there was this cardboard thing, and then I did. So whatever the card is, if you don't wanna know what you got, I don't know how you can make it a secret, but there's all the little things, all the little scenery and everything. I'm gonna go off camera and open them and then put it together. All right, just real quick, here's the little guides. You can see it and pause and see in closer detail what they're supposed to look like. There's all the little ones you can get, and there is the back. And here is the little Doorables scene with Scrooge McDuck. And I guess it's Huey, Dewey, or Louie is one of his little nephews there on his little pile of money. And then it says Disney Doorables down there. Nothing on the bottom. Super duper cute though. I wasn't sure what to expect. I didn't really know what this was gonna be. I do like it. It's not my favorite, so I probably wouldn't get another one of these just because it kind of takes up a lot of space, but I was curious and I wanted to share it with y'all. So I got this cute little one with Scrooge and his nephew, and I'm gonna have it and add it to my little Doorables collection. And now for the great big main event, the biggest blind bag of Stitchy there. We're gonna get into it. Okay, since this is so big, I cut the top off camera and opened it, but I didn't do anything else. So we're gonna experience what comes out together. All right, this must be the plush, because it says there's a plush, so there's this great big plush, and I think there's some like string confetti stuff. What's next, what's next? All right, there's this one, little flat baggie. And then this one is a little flat baggie, but this one's more of like a what we're used to. These other ones are real thin. And then here is one. And then here's another one. These feel like figures. And then there's a bunch of this confetti stuff. And then this. Ooh, this feels goobery. And then this. And then last is this. So we're gonna open all these together. All right, I'm gonna go for the small ones first and see what we get together. Let's see. A glow stick? I think that's what this is. Okie dokie. And next we're gonna see what's in this little flat pack. I already cut it open off camera. Oh, stickers! Cute little Stitch stickers. Now, a lot of people would probably not like that or think that it was cheapy, but I'd rather have these stickers than that glow stick. These are adorbs. Look at how cute. Okay, whatever in this feels bizarre from the outside. So, what is it? What is it? Okay. Oh, it's one of those things where you squeeze and it does that weirdness. I knew it felt strange in the pack. That's wackadoodle. Well, I like it better than I thought I was gonna. It's kind of cute, kind of weird, but there you go. Next, we got this little bag. Brrr, what are we gonna get? Oh, That is so cute and weird, but it's neon edition. That's why. I was like, why is he green? But it's so cute. I guess he turned green because he's holding the frog and the frog turned blue because Stitch is blue. Oh, I really like this. I know it's weird coloring, but I so like it. I love little figures. So yay, this is cute. And then there's this pack that has the like zipper that you can actually do yourself and not have to cut with the little zipper top. Let's see what's in here. What's in here? What are these? Oh, are these Shrinky Dinks? Oh, it is. Ah, it's Shrinky Dinks. And then it has two little colors. I don't know if you can use other ones, but I have lots of colored pencils. Oh my goodness. Shrinky Dink Stitch. Look at how cute. These are adorbs. Now there's this little ball chain that's also in the bag, and there might be something else. Hang on. There was this itty bitty thing. I think once you've shrunk this, you're supposed to use it like that to stand it up. So how cute is that? Next little pack. What do we got? Stitch Ooze. Okay. I won't play with that. I'll just probably take whatever's inside. If I can get this open. Okay, it's in a little packet. Yeah, I'll just throw that away and then keep this little container that says Stitch Ooze because it's bright pinky, pinky, pink, which I love, but I don't have any use for this. I mean, I might play with it between my fingers for a bit and then throw it away, but this is cute, like this. Next, there's this great big flat package. What did we get? Oh my goodness. Okay. Stitch headband ears, and it says Disney Tsum Tsum on it. These are little Stitch like headband ears. I won't use these, but I might take these off of here and use them like on a doll custom or something. That would be super cute. And then this is the last one before the great big one. What did we get? It's another figure. Oh, I love it. I love the weird coloring and his cute little pose. Just look at that. Oh, yay. I love this. This is so cute. All right. Last but certainly not least, it says there's a plush. So, what? Oh, it's a Tsum Tsum plush. Oh, how cute. I don't have one like this. Oh, adorbs. Okay. I wasn't sure when I first started opening this stuff. I was like, oh, I paid $10 for this and I got a glow stick, but this was definitely worth it. The little Tsum Tsum plush and then all the other cute stuff. This is made pretty nice. Super duper soft. If y'all had Touch-A-Vision, you would love it. It's so, so soft. The ears are kind of felty on the inside and then super soft, like velvety on the outside. This is adorbs. So yes, I do believe that it was worth it. So yay! So for me, as a dolly collector, I would have to say my favorite things out of this whole deal are my Lilo and Stitch one over here that I got from Temu, the little bunny figure. Love, love, love. And then second would have to be the biggest blind bag, even though there's some stuff I'm kind of like meh about, like the ooze and the like glow stick and stuff. Everything else I pretty much like, and I do think it was worth the $10 for sure. Those two little vinyl figures there, the little neon ones, would be $3 at most places. So that's $6 right there. And then you get the Tsum Tsum plush and then all the other little cute things. I really do like the Shrinky Dinks. Maybe I'll do those and show you how they look. They're super cute. I do like the little Rhea bunny, super cute because I love bunnies. But overall, I'm not disappointed with anything really, you know, for what I paid. Most of the time I get stuff on sale. I try not to pay full price for anything if I can help it. So for me, all of this stuff, good, thumbs up, bye. So yay, hope you enjoyed it. So there's all the cute little Disney, mostly Stitch stuff, but I'm a Stitch girl, so what can I say? I hope you enjoyed this Disney blind opening. And if you've been with me to this point in the video, I have to say super huge hugs and dolly love to all you watchers and subscribers out there. Y'all are the best. And I also have to say thank you so very much for being with me and for watching, y'all. As always, I hope everybody watching is well, happy, and safe, having a great, great, great Dolly Stitchy day, and that all the good best things that are in this life that can come to you, I honestly, truly hope they will. I have to say, great big, huge, lovely subscriber love to all you wonderful, lovely subscribers out there. I can never say enough just how much it means to me that you come along the journey, hit that button and said, boop, you like my dolly silliness and craziness, and that you watch the videos and you enjoy the videos and all the dolly silliness and craziness that I get up to here. So I have to say, from me to y'all, super huge hugs and love, and thank you so much for absolutely everything, y'all. If you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. more. Come on, y'all. Come and join the great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family that we have built here together, which grows by the day and has gotten so big. I can't even express how wonderful it is that y'all have come along the journey and embraced the Dolly goodness, the Dolly silliness, and all my wacky stuff that I get into. So if you want to be part of blind openings, tutorials, DIY, shorts, vlogs, if you want to check out all that Dolly goodness, come along and join us, because we would love to have you. And as I always say and mean in every single way, absolutely everyone, no matter what you're into, is always welcome here. Well, y'all, we did it. We made it through this pretty decent sized blind opening with mostly stitch stuff. So y'all know what I'm gonna say. Happy dolling, happy stitchy day, happy Dolly day, and bye, y'all.